everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called Little Cat Needs Space, written and illustrated by Dory Durbin. Little Cat loves a cozy, clean place where she can relax in the calm quiet, a place where she slowly stretches and soaks up the sun, where she grooms each whisker and hair, where she wraps up her tail up tight, then she sends purrings around her ribs. Usually, this cozy place is easy to find, but today Little Cat has a problem. Dog. He wants to play, be in her space, the space Little Cat needs. Hey, Little Cat, let's play. Woof. Dog simply doesn't see. Dogs constant. Woofs make Little Cat's tail woof, 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 poof. Little Cat tries to find space, but every place she tries, on top of this chair, under the table, behind the vase, and between the pillows, Dog is still in her space. Little Cat, let's play! This is a big problem. Woo. Little Cat ponders how to get some space from Dog. She deceives a clever plan. Hey Dog, close your eyes and I'll go hide. Haha, let's play. Now try to find me. This plan should get her more space. Woof woof, found you. Are you under here? Knock knock, guess who? Are these bubbles? My nose knows. Cat in the box. But Dog's nose is too good. Little Cat has a dog hide neck. He. Can't find me. Sigh, found you, Dog. You're so bright. Not under here. I'm in disguise. But Dog hides too loudly. This plan isn't working. I'll keep your eyes open, Mr. Fuzzbee. Little Cat tries a new plan. Blue creep. Outside, she won't need to hide. This Little Cat goes under and Little Cat through the dark and crowded place to the wide outside. Here she can find a clean and calm space. Little Cat ventures downhill, but Little Cat, where are you? A slippery slope, a trip, a bump, and a skid leaves Little Cat muddy and confused. This isn't the cleanest place. She will keep looking. Little Cat gathers herself, but swallows swoop, and rows of cars noisily rocket past. This certainly isn't the quietest place. She will keep looking. Honk, beep, vroom, beep, zoom, beep, honk. Little Cat spies a perfect sunny bench. This is her perfect base, but a dog pack sees her first and they really want to play. Little Cat runs off and away. This isn't the comfiest, quietest place. Aroo! Little Cat, yippee! Yip, yip. Little Cat is dirty, feathered, and sad. In fact, she'd never been so miserable, but then she hears a familiar sound. Woof, woof, found you, Little Cat. Woof! And now she is glad that Dog is so loud. But where will she look for a quiet place? Hi, Dog. Hee. Dog, I need space. Woof, Little Cat. Woof, woof, woof. Woohoo! Please, come inside. Okay, perhaps Little Cat knows exactly where to go next. Let's play! Hooray! Little Cat realizes that sometimes she needs to come in a quiet place, and other times it's better to just share her space. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!